Interstate 290. What do you want to say? This is gonna be something special for you. What is it? Please tell me. I hope it's a custom. Actually, it is. RC Cars 5. Oh, here it is. The Rusteze pickup truck. Wow! Did you make that? Actually, I did. Hi guys, it's me, Interstate 290. Today, we're gonna make a second custom review, but it's gonna be an instructional video. Well, you can read the description below. What materials you need, tools, and like some cars you need, you need a Duff Rex or a Jeff Corvette's crew chief and a Timothy Twostroke. And if you get your John Lassiter, make sure to paint the sides yellow. And make sure that you use the glue gun to attach this 95 thing and this. Actually, it fell apart for me. I'm going to be doing it later, but not right now. So, if you get a Duff Rex, and for my version, I'm going to do the Duff Rex model. Like, you need a paint marker or a paintbrush, and for the mount plate, a gray Sharpie, and a gray rim. And when you have the color on the wheels, or the tires, fix it with the black paint marker. Make sure to use the glue gun. I'm not turning it on. To glue it right there and there with this 95 flag. So, actually, I'm showing you. This is my retired Timothy Twostroke. Poor Timothy. Step 1. You need a Duff Rex or a John Lassiter model. If you have a Duff Rex or a John Lassiter model, let me know in the comments. And when you do the John Lassiter one, make sure to take off the headset. When the headset is off, make sure to paint the sides yellow and the roof. And after that, make sure to glue that 95 thing and 95 flag. And kids, if you're above 16, you can use the glue gun. If you're under 16, you do not use the glue gun. I'm 15, but I'm gonna be 16 soon, but I can't use the glue gun now. So, materials required: Timothy Twostroke, a Duff Rex or a John Lassiter model, black paint marker, Sharpie, and glue gun. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And have a great day.